Thinking about starting an LLC through LegalZoom in 2025, but not sure how the process works? In this video, I'll walk you through the full LegalZoom LLC formation process, step by step, from sign up to final paperwork so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1, go to LegalZoom's website. Select Start an LLC. You'll be guided through a simple questionnaire asking for your business name, state of formation, and type of business. Make sure your business name is available in your state, or LegalZoom will prompt you to choose a new one. Next, you'll provide basic information like your name, contact info, and business address. You'll also choose whether you want to be a single member or multi-member LLC and identify your business structure. Don't worry, it's all in plain language and beginner friendly. Now comes the upsell stage. LegalZoom will offer you extras like an EIN, operating agreement, and registered agent service. These are optional but highly recommended if you want everything handled in one place. Choose what you need based on your budget and how involved you want to be in the setup. After that, you'll select your business speed, processing speed. Standard usually takes 10 to 15 business days, while expedited options can get you formed in just a few days at a high cost, though. Then you'll review your order summary and make the payment. Once submitted, LegalZoom files their articles of organization with your state. You'll receive email updates and tracking info as your LLC moves through the process. After approval, you'll get digital copies of your formation documents and any extras you ordered, like your EIN or operating agreement, will also be delivered. That's it. You now have an official LLC. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to like the video, hit subscribe, and comment below if you want me to compare LegalZoom with other LLC services like Zen Business or InkFile. I got breakdowns coming soon to help you choose what's best for your business in 2025.